Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add a weather widget to Notion using Indify. Now, adding a weather widget to Notion is a great way to keep track of the weather while working in your Notion workspace. While Notion doesn't have a built-in weather widget, you can easily integrate a weather widget using an embedded web tool or third-party services like Indify, Zapier, or similar widget providers. So here's another step-by-step guide on how to add a beta widget to Notion using Indify in 2025. Let's get started. Indify provides easy to use customizable widgets that you can embed into your Notion pages, including weather widgets. First thing you need to do is open your browser and visit indify.co, and then if you don't already have an account, sign up for free. If you have an account, just log in. Once logged in, you see a create widget button. Click it. Then select the weather widget from the available option. Select the weather widget from the available options. You'll be prompted to enter a location, that is city or region. You can also customize the appearance as in size, colors, font, etc. Once you're through with that, you can now customize your widget. Set your preferences for the widget, choose the temperature in units, Celsius or Fahrenheit, and make sure the style fits your page theme. And once you've done that, once you're happy with the customization, just simply click on Generate Widget. You get an embedded link URL for the widget. So go to your Notion page where you want the weather widget to appear. Type /embed in a new block or click the plus button to add a new block. Paste the embedded link from Indify into the field, and the weather widget will appear on your Notion page, displaying the weather of the location you selected. Most widgets will allow you to resize directly within Notion to fit your design preferences. Just click and drag the corners to adjust. After embedding, check that the widget loads correctly. If it doesn't show, double check the embedded code or try refreshing the page. It's as simple as that.